Welcome, esteemed investors, to a fascinating exploration of the intriguing dance between elections and the stock market. Today, we embark on a journey through the shifting tides of political events and how their impact resonates within the world of finance. The relationship between elections and stock values is like a beautifully choreographed tango, sometimes graceful, sometimes tumultuous, but always captivating. As investors, we are no strangers to the unpredictability that comes with elections. Political campaigns are filled with passion and promises, and their outcomes can ignite a whirlwind of emotions in the markets. In this in-depth analysis, we will uncover the secrets behind election ebb and flow and uncover valuable insights to help you dance through these financial storms. The electrifying connection, elections and the stock market. When it comes to elections, financial markets are akin to a pendulum, swinging between optimism and trepidation. The anticipation of new leadership or policy changes can send shockwaves through various industries, causing investors to scramble for stability. Let's recall the 2020 U.S. presidential election, where markets exhibited extreme volatility leading up to the voting day. Investors anxiously speculated about the potential consequences of a changing administration. In times like these, emotions run high, and cautionary tales of overreactions and impulsive decisions abound. The investor's crystal ball. While predicting election outcomes with absolute certainty is a mirage, understanding the potential implications of different political scenarios can guide your investment decisions. The first step is to recognize the sectors that could be winners or losers under varying leadership. Green dreams and fossil fuel fantasies. Environmental policies are a key battleground in many elections. Candidates advocating for renewable energy and sustainable practices can bolster the prospects of green tech companies, while traditional energy sectors might feel the heat. Keep a keen eye on the rhetoric surrounding climate change and energy policies, healthcare hurdles and opportunities. Elections can trigger fluctuations in healthcare stocks, particularly as candidates debate the future of healthcare systems and pharmaceutical regulations. Proposed changes can create tailwinds for some companies while casting shadows on others. Tech titans and regulatory reckonings. The tech industry often stands at the crossroads during elections as candidates debate issues like data privacy, antitrust concerns, and tech regulation. The outcome of such debates can sway the fortunes of tech giants and startups alike. Turning turmoil into triumph. Strategies for navigating elections. The journey through an election season need not be treacherous. With prudent strategies, you can chart a course to safeguard your investments and even capitalize on opportunities that arise amidst the uncertainty. Stay steady with a core portfolio. Building a well-diversified core portfolio provides a solid foundation during turbulent times. Rather than reacting to short-term fluctuations, focus on long-term goals and invest in strong companies with solid fundamentals. Swing with sector rotation. Recognizing the potential impacts of political changes on specific industries can position you for success. Embrace sector rotation, adjusting your holdings as the political landscape evolves. The safety net of bonds. During volatile periods, bonds can act as a safety net, offering stability and predictable returns. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to bonds to weather the stormy seas of election periods. Embrace the power of dividends. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a comforting source of income during uncertain times. Seek out companies with a history of consistent dividends, which can offer a sense of stability amidst market gyrations. The global symphony, elections and international markets. Elections aren't confined within national borders. Their echoes reverberate throughout the global marketplace. International investors must be attuned to the geopolitical symphony, where political decisions in one country conduct financial movements across the world. Trade wars and trade winds. Election outcomes can impact trade policies, triggering ripple effects on international trade and economies. The rise of protectionist measures or the easing of trade tensions can shape the prospects of international companies. Currency concertos. Currency markets sway to the rhythm of elections, as changes in political leadership can influence exchange rates, The value of your international investments can be significantly impacted by these currency fluctuations. Uncharted waters, the unpredictable nature of elections. As much as we attempt to forecast the impact of elections on the stock market, it is vital to acknowledge that politics is inherently unpredictable. The financial world, like a seasoned sailor, must be prepared for sudden squalls and unexpected changes in direction. During the 2016 Brexit referendum, the unexpected decision by the British public to leave the European Union sent shockwaves through global markets. While some investors found themselves caught off guard, others navigated these uncharted waters with adaptability and resilience, weathering the storm. When it comes to elections, flexibility and the ability to weather storms are key attributes of successful investors. Here are some pearls of wisdom to guide you through the tempestuous seas. Patience and perseverance. The stock market may be tumultuous during elections, but history has shown that it tends to stabilize over time. Exercise patience and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term financial goals. Learn from the past. Past election cycles can offer valuable lessons. Study how the markets reacted to previous elections and learn from the experiences of seasoned investors who navigated those waters. Dear fellow investors, we have waltzed through the intricacies of election ebb and flow, understanding how votes can vibrate the stock market's value. Elections, like tides, ebb and flow, shaping the financial landscape in their wake. Embrace the uncertainty, for within it lie opportunities for those who remain informed, adaptable, and resilient. As we set sail into the future, let us remember that elections are but one chapter in the grand narrative of investing. A steady hand, a strategic mind, and a long-term vision shall be our compass on this financial journey. So, dear investors, may your investments sway with the rhythm of the markets, and may you dance through the storms with grace and poise. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep investing, and keep the spirit of curiosity alive. Thank you for joining us on this captivating voyage through the intersection of elections and the stock market. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, investing is both an art and a science, and with knowledge and the right mindset, you can unlock the door to financial success. Until next time, happy investing.